Leon, save her. This is clearly a zombie. Oh, a zombie with a chainsaw. Leon, do something. Leon, you just watched this woman get murdered. Are they gonna make me fight this? Oh, hell. Three. No, I failed that parry. I failed that parry. Hold on, am I alive? What's my health at? What's my health at? Oh, it's at 0. Well, I don't think I'll be going for a parry again. Thanks for the advice, game, but I just don't think so. Oh, chainsaw. Wait, let me pick it up. No, not you. Not you pick it up. Damn maid zombie. Boom, kick. What's up, man? This way.